everybody. I'll be installing a package of bees today. I got 2 to do. I don't start a smoker generally. This is how we do it in a hive that has wax and honey that I gave it from dead out hives, previously dead out hives that were not diseased, hopefully. Today I am going to leave the queen in her cage so that those bees can get used to her smell for a couple more days, and we'll see what kind of cage we got, whether they can release her or not. If it's corked on both ends, I don't know what I'll do. I'll just maybe leave her in, and we'll see. Anyway, I wanted to show you the bee. Like right here's a bee on the outside of the package. He's been riding on the outside since Georgia, probably, so kind of funny how they do that. And then when they get in your car, sometimes they get warm and fly around in your car a little bit. Usually go to the windows only, but I had about 100,000 bees in my van today, and it's usually, they're all on packages like this. A few are flying around from these guys that are on the outside, but it's not a big deal at all. It sounds scary, but it's really not. Let's get them in their hive. See a lot of people install bees without a veil on. Not me. That's crazy. Why subject yourself to the possibility of a bee going up your nose or stinging your eyes or going in your ears? Alrighty. Mostly starter strip frames here with no foundation. A couple of these have a little bit of honey in them for later for the bees. Most of the honey is in the bottom boxes here. Honey, some comb, and a little bit more honey over here. A little bit of comb there. The bees will finish making the wax. Full comb. The queen can start laying in that right away. That's a big plus. A bit of honey there. The bees will make wax here. A trick. There we go. Slice. Bees won't readily uncap the honey sometimes this time of year. So I get it started. Now I got an opening to dump the bees. I'm going to take this box and bonk, get all the bees to the bottom, pry off this lid. Maybe I'll take the lid off right now a minute. There's a queen attached to this strap. Feeder can. Yay! It's full of juice yet too. I'll save that juice and feed it back to the bees. Ready? I'm gonna bonk. Make sure you guys can see. Holding on to the feeder can. 1, 2, 3. Ah! Can you believe it? Here they come too. Right on film I did that. Woohoo! Here they come. Here they go. Shake, shake, shake. I can smell the alarm pheromone. Shake, shake, shake. I saw a drone going in. They get a few drones. Oh, I forgot to get out the queen, didn't I? All that messing with the can. Well, you guys get to see real life here. I like to get that queen out first. There we go. Got the queen here. I don't know how much you're seeing of this, but you can see how they're not trying to bite her or sting her. Yeah, we got a couple bees in there too. So I will take out the candy end cork. I'll just take that out. Usually I take out the attendant bees too, but I didn't bring my muff to do that. I haven't bought bees from this supplier for a while. See, I'll take out this cork. That way they can eat through there. Pop that cork out of there, and then I'll stuff her in between a couple of frames. Come on, cork, get out of there. Wow, this is great filming, isn't it? You guys can see that it doesn't always go real smoothly. I'm just wearing it down with my hive tool now until we get to the candy, and I'll quit. Yeah, I can see candy there now. There we go. That looks good. Now, should I get those extra bees out or not? I'm going to think about that a minute. A little more shaking. Got some live bees in here yet. Generally, I do this. Set it right here. Let those bees crawl out and into their hive. Now I might take the bees that are in the package and shake them in front of that hive when we're done. Here's what the inside looks like. Not too bad of a layer of bees. I'll be able to put the frames right on top. Even if it was 2 or 3 inches deep with bees, I would gently put the frames in there and the bees would get out of the way. Now that queen is going to go right in here. I can press her right into the wax. I think I'll just leave the attendant bees in there this time, and I'm going to just put it right in here like this. I make sure that the screen is facing the bees so that they have access to the screen to feed her. So I'll push it right into the wax. The bees will fix that again later. Push it right in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Gonna push them all to the center. Generally I start with 1 box, but because I have wax and honey already, I didn't want them to fill up that box too quickly, and I'm not at my home location, so I can't watch them every day. That's why I got 2 boxes today. Push the lid forward so it opened up where that notch is right there. It opened up that spot so that the bees have upper exit. Well, we did it. It wasn't ideal and it wasn't pretty, but they're in there and they'll be fine, I think. So I'm glad you could watch that. It's kind of funny how all the troubles we had. I'll get to edit all that stuff out, but I'm glad you could watch this today. It's really a nice day for it. I like to do this late in the day, preferably just an hour or 2 before dark would be ideal, but now it's low light conditions, 2:30 in the afternoon I think it is, so we've had rain and it quit now so that I can do this, and just low light conditions is good because that'll keep the bees in the hive. If I did it in the morning on a sunny 70-degree day, for example, the bees might decide that they don't like this house that I gave them, and they might abscond or leave the hive. So but at night they naturally would stay inside the hive. So that's why we try to do this late in the day. But we got good low light conditions today, so I think we'll be good. See ya. Thanks for watching, everybody.